Today, we are using the Blender add-on called SDwebuitools. I recently published on Blender Market to render the exterior of the villa building. This building is imported from SketchUp. Compared to AI render, SDwebuitools is almost the same as automatic 1111 Stable Diffusion Web UI. It supports text to image, image to image, extras, controlnet, integrate, LoRa, and a detailer, and workflow configuration. First, we go to here. We choose the image. Suppose this one. And then we will use interrogate clip to extract its prompt. Click interrogate clip. And then click then the prompts will be put in prompt area. We choose SD model. We will use GDM luxury modern house and return CKPT. In LoRa, we will choose this one, Villa 01 Architecture SD Life. We change the weight to 0.8 and add. If double click, it will remove. One click will add at the end of the positive prompt. Go back to text to image. Here we add 3 controlnet. The first one. At first, we will use Compositing Render dash to render 2 images, one for canny and one for dash. The render result will be act as the input of the canny controlnet. And the compositing, we input the dash, we save the dash image in Beer node. Here. This is the second controlnet, dash. We choose dash Midas, controlnet SD15. The first one will be canny. We will choose, if click last render, it will use render result as the input. And from dash here, we will use the view node as the input for dash controlnet. This one we will use. We choose the directory here. And we select one image here. We choose IP adapter. We use IP adapter clip SD15. We all choose the control mode as controlnet is more important. So we click text to image. (1920) So the image will be saved in the hard disk here. This is the output directory. And we will put in text to image here. So last one. We can also choose another checkpoint model. We choose the architecture urban SD life v60. In the meantime, we can also click here extra single image. If we tick this, it will also upscale the image by 2 models, RS GAN 4x plus and also Swing IR 4x. For the upscale visibility, we will use 0.4. We go back to text to image and click text to image. (1920). The text to image process is finished, and then the tiled upscale is for upscaling the image. The upscale the image is generated. It will be saved here in extras image. At this date, the last one. We choose another checkpoint. Architecture real mix V1 repair. We remove the previous LoRa. We choose another LoRa. Neoclassical Villa PHK. Click Add. It will be added at the end of the prompt. Click. We go back to here and tick this. Not upscaling. Only text to image. The whole process is implemented inside Blender, so no need to use the web UI interface. So it's quite handy to render the scene. And then we link all the materials back to Blender. For this one, we need to subdivide by 30. We go to edit mode, select all. We need to also subdivide by 30. Go back to object mode. And then we use UV projection to project the AI image back to Blender scene. Link material.